This is the Merach UltraWalk W60 Plus walking pad. It's a treadmill-grade walking pad packed with premium features, including automatic incline, remote and app control, RGB lighting, built-in Bluetooth speakers, and a highly portable design. The walking pad came in a single box and was fully assembled as one complete unit right out of the package. The W60 comes in two colors, gray and silver. Here I have the gray model. Inside the box, you get the walking pad itself, the remote control, a power cable, and a user manual. Once I took everything out, setup was extremely simple. There's no assembly required, no screws, no tools, nothing complicated. All I had to do was find a good spot for it, plug it into a standard outlet, and it was ready to go. So from unboxing to first use, you're looking at just a couple of minutes, which makes it really beginner friendly and super convenient if you want something that's basically plug and play. The walking pad measures 1220 by 520 by 133 millimeters, which is approximately 4 feet long, 1.7 feet wide, and 5.2 inches tall. Right away, the design looks sleek and modern, and it genuinely has that premium treadmill-grade build quality. Powering the unit is a 3.5 horsepower brushless motor with 102mm diameter and dual-sided ventilation, designed to provide the durability and reliability you'd expect from a full-size treadmill. Performance-wise, the treadmill offers automatic incline up to 12% and a speed range from 0.6 to 4.0 miles per hour. The unit weighs 30.5 kilograms, which is about 67 pounds. It also has a 400-pound weight capacity, meaning it can handle heavier users or even weighted walking workouts if you want to increase the challenge. And with that 12% incline capability, you'll get greater glute and leg activation, making your walks much more effective. The front LED display rotates through your workout stats every 5 seconds, showing calories, time, speed, distance, incline, and step count. The walking pad also comes with a remote control that can be worn around your wrist. Using the remote, you can turn the pad on or off, adjust speed and incline, increase or decrease workout goal settings, select program workouts, toggle on or off your sounds or LED lights, and start and stop the belt. There's also a built-in safety mechanism when it comes to starting the walking pad. You have to long press the start button before the belt begins moving, which is a great safety touch, especially if you have kids around. For portability, the pad supports built-in transport wheels, making it easy to move around your home. It can be stored upright and slid underneath furniture and compact spaces. And the remote itself is magnetic, so it stores neatly underneath the treadmill when not in use. You can connect your phone via a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker that comes out of the holes near the display and use the built-in speakers to play music or listen to videos or podcasts directly through the walking pad, giving you better audio quality without needing to crank your phone volume.
Nice and relaxed here. We're going to increase the speed up to 2.5 miles per hour now.
Another one of the standout features here is the RGB lighting. Not only does it look cool, but it also acts as a built-in motivation tool. The lights sync with your music and rhythm, making it a fun ambiance, but more importantly, they can change color based on your step count throughout the day. Below 2,000 steps, the lights are blue. Once you hit 2,000 steps, it turns dark green. Then after 4,000 steps, it turns light green. After 7,000 steps, it turns yellow. After 10,000 steps, it turns orange. And finally, after 15,000 steps, it turns red. It's a really neat way to gamify your movement and stay motivated to hit a daily step goal. And if you pause your workout, the treadmill retains your workout data, so you can hop back on later and continue working toward that red light goal throughout the day. The walking pad also pairs with the Merach app, available on both iOS and Android. Through the app, you can use your phone as a remote and adjust speed and incline settings, and also access guided classes. And one of the coolest parts is that some classes can automatically control the walking pad for you, adjusting speed and incline based on the instructor's cues, so you don't have to manually change settings yourself. Overall, the Merach UltraWalk W60 Plus combines premium treadmill-level performance with compact walking pad convenience, and a slew of other great features, making it a strong option for anyone looking to increase daily steps, work while walking, or add incline walking to their fitness routine. So if you're interested in getting one for yourself, check the description for the link and use my code to get the best price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.